Is Mark Bernier. Welcome to Microsoft Basics, Lesson 6. In Lesson 5, we look at font size. We look how we can convert list of text to smart art. Now that, but right here in 6, what we wanted to do definitely, you see this right here, MS, I mean that Microsoft, stands for Microsoft, right? So in Lesson 6, what we want to be looking at is how we can insert signature line in the Microsoft Word document, right? Insert video on the document because a lot of person want to do that but don't not too sure what to do, right? You want to insert an equation or fraction right on the page, right? Insert text box. Yes, we're going to insert text box because some person might not know how to insert text box. So you can insert text box right in it and move the outline from it, right? Add column to the document because sometimes open book, sometimes it's some column 2, 3, and all of that. Right here, so we want to export the file to PDF. It's very important. So that's exactly what we're going to look at. Very important. All right, so what I wanted to do is bring up a Microsoft Word document. They're going to open it just like that. All right, so remember what I wanted to do is insert the signature line right here. So what I wanted to do that, we want to come right up here where to insert. So I want to click on the insert. You know, click on the insert to go all the way to your far right here on that text. You know, so right up here, it's a signature line. And I put the cursor pointer not to the display right here, but I want to put the cursor right at the pointer right here. Notice, it's add signature service, Microsoft Office signature line. So I'm going to click on this one. Now when I click on this one, it brings up this little dialog box now, which means I can put the cursor upon it, right click, I can actually move it up on where I want it. But in right up here, example, I want to put a title, so I can say right here, I put my name right here. So right down here now, you can put the title right here. You can put the title right here. And right down here, you can actually put a signature line. So note right here, you can allow the signer to add comment or signature. If you click on this one right here, notice show sign date in signature line. Right? So what I wanted to do, I just want to click on OK. Notice you click on OK. Notice right here, they show me name and title and all that. So this is your sign. But if you notice, it's at the top of the document, but you want it at the bottom of the document. You're going to click on it back. You notice the highlight. If you notice right up here, format, you're going to click on it, right? So when you click on format, what you're going to be looking for is position. So this is every position. So you want to click right here on it, right? So if you notice each time I put the cursor upon it, you notice it actually shift, but this is the one that I want. I want to click it here. You notice, let me scroll up, and you can see it. You know exactly where it is now. The bottom of the document. Bottom of my document right here, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Right, so let me scroll up my document. Right there, back to the top. Very important right there. Next thing, we're going to insert the online video to the document. Yes. So very important that you stick to the end of this video because a lot of small details in it which might struggle in your pictures. Right, so you're going to come right up here to the insert. Notice when you click on insert, you know, what I was looking for is insert a video. So notice come right in here, as a media, it's online video. So we're going to click on that. Now, when you click on that, you notice it opens up this small dialog box right here. But if you want to close it, you can actually come right here. But if I put the cursor upon it, I can actually move it. You notice? I can actually move it up. Right here, YouTube, right here is a search box. Right here, so you can from an embedded code. So if you have a URL, I can actually paste it here, but right, I don't have a URL, so I'm going to select something. Notice when I click right there, right? So I'm going to do simple type of video. Right, I'm going to say how to create a basic Microsoft hold on, let me see. Word document. Then you can press enter for your keyboard. All right. If you notice, these are what it actually bring up. You notice you have a little scroll bar right here. You can actually click just like that. Click, you can scroll down. I can actually select the one that you really want. If you notice, it give you a whole lot of option. Video, you notice? Yes. Scroll. Yes, scroll. So it give you option enough to just jump and just select a video. But you can actually scroll, look at the videos then, you notice online video. If you notice right up here, you search videos, no, right? And you scroll, you notice you scroll, you see a lot of video which you can actually choose from just the same. Yes, you can actually kind of notice more scroll up right here. You notice it's more video and see and Microsoft Word. So if you notice a lot of video actually out there what I can actually choose from just like that. You see it, right? Analysis, more, just so you have a download. So for time, I'm just gonna select a video and you see exactly how it look on the paper. So I'm gonna select this one. Notice I click this one, notice right here. It say insert. So I'm gonna click. Right, notice when I click, this is with the video. I can come like this and I can actually size up the video just like that. Just I can come right up here. I can actually format it. If I come like this, I can put it in different curve, different style, just like that. You can put it like that, just the same. None of that. But what if you definitely don't like this video, you want to get rid of this video? One thing you have to just click on it like that, and then press the backspace, and there you go to a different video. Right? So the next thing you want to look at is to insert an equation and a fraction. Right? Very important. We're going to insert the equation and fraction. Alright, first you want to click on insert. Notice when I click on insert right here, you're going to come all the way over. You notice the equation. We click on this little pointer right over here. You notice the equation. You can actually click. You notice it actually give you an equation right there. Just the same, right? But if you notice it gone back on the middle, if you click right here and click on this little pointer right here, go down to justify just like that. You can click it to the left. You notice it actually gone back to the left. Right here, we're going to find a different equation and put. Right, so if I come right here and I go down right here, it's a new equation just like that. You notice it take me right here. Right, I can actually click on one of these. Right, you notice when I click on these, right, you notice you bring up this equation right here. Right, and let me see if I can increase the font size right there. Up right here and click on this big A right here. Notice. So this is an equation. So we want a fraction now. So we're going to click back on the same insert. And then we're going to come right here. Right, and then we're going to click a new equation. So we want a fraction. So we're going to get the fraction. Now this is a fraction. Right? So if you notice, if you click on this right here, right? If you can notice here different styles, I'm going to click on this one. You notice if I click inside of it, I can type 1. If I click below it like that, I can actually type 2. Right? And there you go. But you notice it in the middle, you want to put it here, just click up on it and click. Right, I look up pointer right here, go down to justify justification and click on left and notice fraction right here. Very important. All right. So text box, we want to insert text box now. Now we're going to do the text box. It's very important. All right, let me give a little section there for this. All right, text box, you're going to click right here, insert. Now when you click on insert, come all the way right here. So say head and footer, notice right here, text box. If I click, you bring your text back. But if I click right here, notice, give a different type of text box right here. So I can even draw one. If you notice there's a scroll box right here, I can actually come along like this. You notice there's whole set of them we have right here. And if I click, you notice you see a lot of them come up right here. So go back up. If I select this one, this is what you see happen right here. Let me bring up the document so I can see it properly. All right, you notice right here. So I'm going to say welcome. Welcome. And if I click like that, this is what it looks like. If I click, I can actually move it by putting the cursor like this. You notice I can put it right here anywhere I want to put it. Right there, right? You notice you can actually go down. But I'm going to draw it instead. So I'm going to click on insert, go back right here. You notice it's a draw text box. If I click right here, I can actually go along left side of the mouse, come like that. I notice it's a well, come just the same. I can actually move it just the same by click back on it and come like that. Alright, so what if I wanted to move the outline around it? What would I do? So I click back on it. When you click back on it, you notice right here, show the format, you click on the format. So when you click on the format, right in between it, you notice it says shape fill and shape outline. These are the two we're going to be used to remove this. So we're going to click right here, look pointer. I'm going to say no fill. And you go right here, say shape. I want to click and say no outline. Alright, if you notice right here, no outline is not there. Again, you see, you can move it just the same, but the outline is not there. Alright, so this now you click on it. You come right up here, say shape fill, you click, and they said no fill right here. Click on shape outline right here, click on a pointer, they say no outline. And if you notice, I haven't seen it, right? You can even join up this together like this. And when you look at it, it come like a type, you type it. If you come like this with it, you can actually move this one and put it directly like that underneath it, just like that. And notice how it look. And you even know the difference. So now type to type. Alright, right here add column to the document. Alright, very important. So what I want to do, I'm going to put some paragraph that see exactly what they look like. Yes. So now I add some paragraph right here. Right. But let me bring down this a little bit smaller. And let me bring it to about 12. Right. About 12. Alright. Let me bring it down a little bit smaller. Alright, good. Let me focus on it right from right here. Alright, and bring it down a little bit smaller. That's when I add the column, you can see exactly what's going on there. Alright, good. Very good, you notice. Alright, let's go back again. Alright. Let's put it at least 16. Right now I have it at 16. Just like that. So I'm going to unblock it. So I'm going to add the column. Alright. So I want to, you notice right here. It's a page layout. You're going to click on that. A lot of person might see layout only. So notice if this is column. If I click right here on the column, it's a one column. Right here, so two column, three column. So bring the column to the left and right. So if I come right here and click on 2, you notice you split it so far, but let me bring it up somewhere that I can actually see somewhere. Notice you split the column right through, right there. If I go back right here, the column, right, and I put 3, you notice, you're not 3, right? If you notice right up here, so 1 section, 2 section, 3 section right here. Yes. And if I go back to the column again, and I press left, you notice, column to the left. Alright, let me go up, you notice, to the left. Right, very important. And if I put it to the right, you notice, when I look at it, to the right, you notice it gone to the right. Alright, very important. Put it back to the normal 2. You just click like that. I want to put it back right where it just come like that 1. Just like that. Very important. Next thing I wanted to look at is to convert it or export it to PDF. Alright, so the next thing you wanted to do is to come right here, file. Now when you click on file, this is what will come up. You will see info, you see new, open, save as, right here. Share, export, close. But what we want to focus on is export. So if I click on export, right, to show that I can create a PDF, you can show the XPS document and all that. So I come right over here to create it. Now when I click it right here, now what will happen? Definitely, you bring up this section over here. Right, so you notice this where I say the name, right, and down here says make it show you document type is PDF. Right here, so I just want to put a name. So I just want to put a project. Right. And up here, we can adjust style. Right here, you can come right here as a tool. Right. And all of that publish. So by clicking publish now. Right. So actually do that. No, if I come right here and I minimize this, I'm going to show you exactly what's going on. Because actually export the document. Right. Very important. So this itself is the document. Where actually notice is open right here. Right. And then you will see it shortly. And what actually taking place so far. Right. Yes. So this itself is a document. You notice right here that we actually just export. Right. So you can actually come like that and close it. Right. So very important. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.